Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and operating system, so you pick compatible clock styles. Once done, go straight to Settings and tap Display or open the Clock app's customization pane. Make sure you have any wallpaper or widget areas visible to preview changes in real time. You'll see Theme, Font, and 12/24-hour options. Pick Initial Preferences loosely now, because you'll refine them in the next steps. This keeps you focused and prevents backtracking later. Now you choose the actual style, analog versus digital, hand styles, or segmented numerals, and select a font weight that balances style and legibility. Next, tweak layout. Move the clock position, resize it, and stack or hide widgets to free space. Adjust colors and contrast so the time stays readable against wallpapers. Use high contrast or subtle shadowing. Make incremental changes and preview for 10-15 seconds to confirm visibility in common lighting conditions before finalizing. Finish by saving your changes and immediately testing the lock screen, home screen, and any always-on displays to ensure consistency. If the new style doesn't apply, restart the device first. That clears temporary glitches. If issues persist, go to the clock or display app settings and reset to defaults, then reapply your style choices. One key troubleshooting tip: check for system updates and permissions for lock screen customization. Missing updates or denied permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.